Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to continue building this Tamiya TT-01 Type E chassis. This is going to be part 11 of the build series. We're going to be working on steps 26, 27, and 28. And we're going to start by assembling and gluing the tires. Then we're going to put them onto the chassis. And then we'll connect the battery and test everything out. So let's get started. I'm going to take this away and use the silicone mat I have here to do the gluing. And all we're going to do is push this wheel into the tire, but first I'm going to make sure that both sides of the tires are the same, and it looks like they are. And all we're going to do is just put this inside the tire here. And the important thing is just make sure the bead is smooth all the way around on both sides. Let's go ahead and finish this up. Okay, there we go. And so normally you would peel this back and apply the glue into this groove here. And the type of glue you're going to use is CA glue. Most people would buy this brand, Proline tire glue. I'm going to use something a little bit more generic that I got on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it. But I also have a this nib here that is going to help me put on a very fine bead. So this is the One Racing HD curved steel glue tips. And I also have the debonder standing by just in case I make a mistake. And then, like I said, normally you would just peel it by hand, but I'm going to use this. This is a, it's called the Exposer from Firebrand RC. And so what this does is going to help me push this down. I'm going to take away the adapter ring. It's going to push it down and then expose that bead for me. Okay, it's going to make things a little bit easier for me. And my number one tip for gluing tires is to take your time. This is going to take longer than you expect it to, so just don't rush. I need to put the bead in. I need to put a rubber band on it. These are made specifically for holding tires. And then we'll wait and we'll flip them over and do the other side. So let's get started. And we can probably zoom in a little bit on this. Okay, so let's go ahead and press that down. And I'm just going to carefully okay, it's not perfect. I got a little bit of glue here and glue there. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this. Let's go ahead and put the band on. And I'm going to let that rest for a while. Let's move on to the second one. And one very important tip is to make sure you're wearing eye protection. You don't want the glue to splash into your eye or anything like that, or, glue your eyelid shut. That will be bad. All right, and now I'm going to wait about 15 minutes just to let all these kind of cure completely before I move on, flip them over to do the backside. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and take these off. Looks like everything's cured. Let's go ahead and work on the other side. I don't even know how that happened. All right, now it's time to wait another 15 minutes for this side to dry. All right, I think it's been long enough. Let's go ahead and peel these off. And we're going to work on the rear first. And we're going to insert a bearing. If you don't have ball bearings, you're going to be using that white bushing. But I'll be using a ball bearing. But I'm just going to stick with the same front and rear. All right, so we're going to start by putting a little bit of grease into there. Then we're going to put a bearing inside. Okay, and then we're going to take one of these pins and insert into this hole right here. Okay, then we're going to use this and put it in there. And then we're going to put the wheel on like that, and then the nut. And I'm going to use this wrench. Okay. I already did this side. So let's go ahead and set that in there. And then same with the front. Alrighty then. Alright, so it turns out the only battery that I have that will work here today would be this nickel metal hydride pack. Even this LiPo pack with the round body is a little bit longer, and this won't fit the TT-01. Ironically, I wanted to avoid using this. So there we go. we have completed building the Tamiya TT-01 Type B chassis. So thanks for watching this video and this series, and I'll see you guys in the next one.